Getting a home here in the heart of CBD with less than $1,000 PSF? How is that possible?
This highly sought-after location gives you direct access to an array of amenities, a variation of dining options, fitness studios and grocery options just a stone throw away. And it is only a 4 minutes walk to Outram MRT station. If you've managed to guess it by now, I'm talking about the Pinnacle at Duxton. This high-floor 5-room unit is the second largest layout in this development, with a balcony in the master suite. Now the highlight of this unit, unlike some of the other units in this apartment facing each other, is that this unit has all its rooms facing an unblocked view of Mount Faber. The kitchen has a squarish layout with ample countertops for your appliances and built-in cabinets for all your cooking necessities. The yard area is also neatly tucked away with glass doors on both ends. Definitely a great space to bring out the master chef in you. The Pinnacle at Duxton hosts 2 sky terraces overseeing the city skyline, where the 26th floor is exclusive only to the residents. On the 50th floor, the Pinnacle at Duxton limits the number of people that are allowed up the sky gardens every day, ensuring your exclusivity while getting your sweat count in for the day.
This beautiful unit is the epitome of city living with the finest amenities at your doorstep. Let's link up to see if you are suitable for this unit. Call me Charlotte at 9159 8541. Get your dream home with a peace of mind.